My name is Ian. This next plant is the hardy banana. It's an absolute must-have for anyone with young children. It's hardy here in Connecticut. It goes down to zone 6. I have it growing at the base of my house and I cover it in leaves. But what you get with the hardy banana is 12 feet of growth that starts in early May, and as you see, here we are now in September. It's way up there behind me. Now the fancy name for this is Musa basjoo. I would encourage you to get this plant in late April, plant it outside in the ground. It requires lots of water, and if you can give it lots of sunshine, you'll be rewarded with this. Could you imagine planting a circle of these and having a den inside for children or grandchildren? I think they would find that really enjoyable. The hardy fiber banana, Musa basjoo. Look at this.